Hello everybody, we are Froyo team and we're gonna introduce you our project Carwe. Our team is confirmed by Abraham Luna and me, Luis Soto. So let's do it. The Bitácora para vehículos is a support tool for the proper care and maintenance of the user private transport, working as the service registration application, and is that every vehicle, whatever new or used, requires a certain periodic routine maintenance task that guarantee its proper working in any conditions. This app consists of the monolithic application with persistent storage, where elements such as database fragments, form, slash. During the completion of the project, the development team has taken into account the effectivity, efficiency, and satisfaction that could be granted to the user, seeking that with the proper and conscious use of this application, it can be lead to user savings in the mainlays of their vehicle. So, next we show the entity relationship model of this project, where you can see the tablets of vehicles, pieces, reminders, service, and workshops. It should be clarified that in the previous presentation we showed a different model, but this is the final version. From the app, the user can make use of this database through the forms that my college will show you below.
Okay, first of all, when you open the app, you will be able to see three different screens. The first one I'm going to talk about is the registered one, and in this screen you will be able to open different activities. In this case, autos, talleres, piezas, and servicios, in which these activities you will be able to manage the information and the operations of the database related to each table. In the second place, we have the historial screen. Here you will be able to see uh, all the services that you already made to your cars in general. And in the last place, we have the recordatories screen. On this screen, you will be able to make the app to show you notifications when you want to make a new service to your car and etc. Basically, is a reminder or a thing like that. Okay, talking about the table user interface, we have four different options, which are the options that we have in the registers screen. And when you tap on an option, the app will open a new activity. And when in this activity, you will be able to see a list with the information stored in a table database. And you can click on the item so you can see the info related to this row. And also we have two buttons uh, in which you will be able to create new information or search for a specific row inside of the table. Okay, when you tap on an item, you will be able to see a window like this. In this window, you will see the information related to this row, uh, more specific details and stuff like that. And also we have four buttons uh, that we can go back. We can see more details of this row. Also, we can edit the row and delete the row. So basically, all the crude stuff are made here. Okay, About the create options, uh, is when you tap on this button, the app will open a form with the fields related to that table, in this case vehicles, and you can put the data in these fields, and you can store it in the database in like this. So it's not that complex. I think it's pretty much easy. And about the update option is this one. When you tap on this, the app will open basically the same form, but with the fields stored in the database of that row. The app will put the fields, and you can modify here the fields. And when you tap on this button, the row will be updated in the database. And about the read option is this one. When you tap on this, the app will open a new activity in which you can see the relations of this row in other tables. For example, we are here in the vehicles table, so we can see these row relations in productos table or in servicios table. And all of this is made by a lot of selects in the database. SQL SQL selects, sorry. We want to show you that we already have the database in our app with this screenshot. On this side, we have the 5 create table command of SQL that we use to create all the tables with the fields we want and the relations we want. On this side, we have the implementation of the database in SQLite with the onCreate and onUpgrade methods.
Well, the following points that we'll be working on this project are working on making the application responsive through animations, the use of remembers for service scrundle in advance, and search filters in the records. That will be all from us. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you later.